Welcome everyone to today's show. I want to share my Sora 2 workflow with you guys. By the way, Higsfield is great not just for Sora, but for so many other workflows inside of when you're trying to do AI video or AI image. You're going to get a lot of runway out of Sora 2. So if you watch any Sora videos, if you notice there's a huge flicker, I'm just going to mute the audio. Mute. I'm going to solve all this in a second anyway, so I'm just showing you.
While most
See
sleep,
how it flickers? I know it's a little hard
others
on
learn.
mobile, but
Work
it's
while you rest.
flickering.
They're learning
It
how to work
doesn't,
less
like, it's
and
kind
earn
of
more.
rendering in real
They
time.
started. You
We're
can
gonna
too.
eliminate all. We're gonna eliminate the watermark, and then we're gonna eliminate the flickering, so that you guys can create. And I'm gonna show you guys how to remove watermarks right now. So this entire video, the watermark has been removed, and the quality has been enhanced. So if you look at it real close, you'll notice the quality is much higher quality, especially around the faces and all the flickers. So that's where I'm going to show you today is those two workflows. So that's why you guys definitely want to pay attention. If you guys don't know me, my name is Jonathan Acuna, Dr. AI. I run an AI certification and training programs to teach you guys AI. I live stream every day, I'm trying to do Monday through Thursday, 6 p.m. So if you guys show up and learn, then I will teach you guys AI for free and give you guys all the secrets. All I ask is you guys pay attention. Cool. So let's show you guys that entire workflow start to finish of prompting, go from idea all the way to finished video using Sora. So let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is you can start in any large language model, whatever your daily driver is. By the way, put in the chat, what is your daily driver? Do you use ChatGPT? Do you use GenSpark? What do you use as your daily driver? Cool. I'm just going to use ChatGPT just because it's quick and fast. But just note, we are canceling all of our ChatGPT subscriptions inside the community because we've been migrating over to GenSpark. All of these are custom GPTs that I built inside of my ChatGPT account, and I have a ton. Business coach, viral hook generator, copywriter, estimation, quote estimators for like service providers, prompt generators, Sora 2 prompt generators, VO3 prompt generators, tax consultant, offer architect, how to write a book, proposals, copyright, so much more. So like all these custom GPTs can now be built in GenSpark. So if you guys didn't know, as of last week, GenSpark now has custom GPTs so that you can move all of this, cancel your ChatGPT account, and do everything in GenSpark and save yourself $20 a month to go spoil yourself on anything you want. But we all know that you guys are really just going to buy another subscription, just like me. I'm going to buy more subscriptions. I'm already buying more right now. It's ridiculous. Okay, cool. Let's talk about the prompt for Sora 2. Sora 2 does not like JSON, where VO3, now the difference between Sora and VO3 has a lot more quality. So if you want more of a Hollywood cinematic quality, then definitely go for VO3. And through VO 3.1 now, that kind of goes all the way up to, I think, a minute now. Oh no, it does 30 seconds, I think it is now. And then the second is from Sora 2, you're getting character consistency, you're getting sound effects, you're getting much more cohesive, like a whole story almost. So it's going to save you a lot of stuff, a lot of steps when you're learning. So, or at least trying to put together a whole prompt, because we're trying to get these videos to do like almost full commercials basically. So you have 10 seconds to work with, and this is roughly the structure of a prompt right here. So the prompt is basically, you want to think about that it has timestamps at the very beginning, and then it has the elements to describe what's going on in that scene. What's the camera doing, sound, FX, direction, and any dialogue. Full credit goes to Winston, who shared this with me. So definitely highly recommend follow Winston. Winston, throw a comment and I'll pin your comment so everyone can follow you. So from here, you're structuring down. 2 to 3 seconds is pretty tight. I would stretch it out 3 to 4 or 3 to 5 seconds for what you want to happen in each scene, pretty much to get a lot of action. So, but here, every 2 seconds, we're basically describing what we want to happen. Plus, we're following a little storytelling structure with confrontation, the twist, resolution. You guys don't have to get this granular, but at the end of the day, stories sell more. Also, comedy sells more than stories. Well, probably about the same. So you got taglines. You also got negative prompts that you could do inside Sora. So you want to use your daily driver of choice, Claude, let's say Claude or ChatGPT, really, or DeepSeek. doesn't matter. Take a screenshot of just this one of these structures right here, just this. That's all you need. And then you could take a screenshot of this prompt right here, give that to your large language model, and then they know how to write the structure. That's going to be the quick and fast way. So now that I've got a storyline, which I think this was one I was working on, Learn AI, Become Unstoppable. Let's say AI is coming for your job. You will be replaced by AI, or else you learn, create, add, around this. We're actually going to create a new one from scratch in real time. That way you guys can see the whole process. So first step is any large language model that you're going to create your prompt for the story. So, all right, let's see, roughly. I'm just going to say good enough, because what you don't know really is you don't know how good it's going to turn out. So I wouldn't spend too much time like scanning through to see how well it looks. Just kind of say good enough, throw it in the oven, and then judge it when it comes out of the oven. You can't really tell if this is a good or bad video just by reading it. I mean, obviously you can make little changes if things stand out, but I'm just going to say good enough, because if you guys know my quotes, I teach you guys done is better than good enough. Let's go now. Two different places that you could get Sora. You could get it from, oh man, this is gonna with me. I have to work with one tab. That way everyone on YouTube could see as well too. Sorry, it's the weirdest things. Nice. Okay. So we're in Sora's website. Sora's going to generate the watermark, but I'm going to show you how to remove the watermark right after in the same process. So next from here, what we're going to do is make sure I like hanging out in my profile. If you just go to your profile image, go to your drafts. I like hanging out in.
Told us it was over. AI.
Obviously, right click on the tab and mute the site, or else every page is just blast audio. It is the worst designed website. Like, oh my gosh. So from here, we're going to paste the prompt. Make sure you're on portrait or orientation. Duration, you can do, oh, is that 15 seconds that I see? Oh, let's go 15. Sometimes you don't need 15, but you get 30 credits a day, I believe, too. So be sure to use your credits as well, too. Nice. So that's in the oven, and we now wait 2 minutes. Be patient. While we wait, we could do some other cool stuff while we wait. So from here, we could kind of play in Higsfield while that is in the oven. So let's go to Higsfield. Nice. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to remove the watermark. We're kind of just in the process. We now just have to be patient and wait for our awesome video to come out of the Sora 2 oven. So we're just kind of killing 2 minutes. Thank you for your patience. While we wait, I'm going to show you some other cool things in here that I mainly use Higsfield for, because if you're going to get into AI image, AI video, you might as well just pick a really good, robust tool. There's free picks, there's Higsfield. A lot of these tools, what they do is they aggregate and they give you a collection of either image and video all in one. This is going to make it nice because there's extra tools in here, such as if you're doing image or video editing, Seed Dream and Nano Banana are great for uploading a headshot of yourself and then putting your actually, we could kind of do that for right now. Let's do images while we're waiting for our oven to kind of wait, because what I recommend, I'm going to do Seed Dream 4.0, is that you could do professional headshot, because all of you guys would love professional headshots because you're all professionals. So step number 1 is go to Higsfield and go to under image, choose Seed Dream 4.0. You can also use Nano Banana. Both of them do the same exact thing. The only difference is Seed Dream will output the image in 4K resolution. That is very high quality. Anyways, so from here, we could put myself in anywhere. I'm going to say man standing on the stage at a TED Talk with a huge audience and AI is in the background. Cool. There we go. Sorry, you guys can't see from here. There we go. So upload your image on the bottom left-hand corner. Choose Seed Dream as the model. We definitely want ratio 9:16, which is your vertical phone. Basic, simple. You don't need to go high quality. I mean, basic is going to be a 2K image. Really? That's the basic. That's huge. High is 4K, but we don't need high 4K. You could generate 3 different shots. I'm going to just generate 2 out of this, and then I'm going to click generate. Look how expensive that is. 2 tokens. Oh my God, it's so expensive. Inflation. I remember when tokens were 1 token you could do all this for. I'm just kidding. Back in my day, we had 100 free swords. Nice. So it's got me. It could have made me a little slimmer. I'm trying to get on the treadmill. Like, what is this? Come on now. AI, it says AI adds 10 pounds. That's like AI adding 20 pounds right there. So it's true. AI will add 20 pounds. I'm not that fat. I'm a little bit slimmer. Just kidding. But that's dope. Look at that. I could be like, oh, actually, this is great for vision boards. Highly recommend it if you're into like vision boards and you want to like put yourself in your vision and then download this and put this as a screensaver. That's probably a good use of AI, wouldn't you say? Huh? Because it's all about imagining you yourself there, and it's almost there. I'm probably gonna wear black slacks or something like that on that day, but good enough. I just definitely need to be good in the gym. So highly recommend take your picture, sign up for Higsfield, and then from there you could put yourself in. I think there's one more here because I just did two. Hey, it's like take a selfie for everyone. Oh, look at the audience. Can you see the audience faces? Like the kind of, hold on, let's enhance. That's always the giveaway is the faces of the crowds, which that's actually not bad. It's like everyone kind of, no one has like 2 extra arms or legs. So AI is getting really good. So this is Seed Dream. It's really good for photo. It's basically Photoshop. That's the best way. Nano Banana does the exact same thing. So either of these two are going to be your photo editing superpower tools. You're going to come to either of these to do any type of Photoshop manipulation. Okay, all we were doing was just killing time to check out our Sora video, which I believe is done. So let's go to Sora and check out our video in the oven so that we can remove the watermark next. There's our awesome video. It has a little new next to it. Let's check it out.
But AI is coming for your job. Every hour, someone's already been replaced, but a few are learning to command it. The future belongs to the ones who learn. Get replaced or get ready.
AI is coming for
Every hour, someone's already been replaced.
Very cool. Awesome. But it has a watermark. We're not done in the process. Let's go ahead and download this. Three dots on the top right hand corner. There's a download button. Boom. Download it. That way I could give you guys the whole actual URL right here. That's what I'm trying to get you guys. So you guys could take a screenshot and thank me later. All right, there we go. There's the URL. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. I will wait 3 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Take your screenshots. Congratulations. If you're late, cast a replay on YouTube. Okay, so that's that. Next thing that we're going to do is, if we go back from here, just drag and drop your video in. You get 20 a day, or no, you get 10 a day. That's completely for free. And then you have, if you sign up for a free account, which I obviously have, then you get 20 a day Sora videos that you can remove the watermark from. Whatever. Hit that like button because I just got a violation and they're going to shadow ban me on TikTok because I'm teaching you guys too many AI secrets already. Like how to remove watermarks. You guys, oh boy, that was bad. No, that's okay. So we're killing some time while the watermark is being processed. So while we're in here, I'm going to show you some other cool things that you could do in here. So as I mentioned, only if you create videos from Sora's website, I highly recommend the website and not the app. Don't touch the app for anything business related or stuff like that. The mobile apps are always like super basic. So the main thing from here is that you're going to use, so in Higsfield, they give you access to all the best models. You have 3.1, VO 3.1, Sora 2, and then you have Kling. KLING 2.5. Those are like super powerful AI models. And then the best part is they will actually already remove, the watermark from it. So if you use a third-party tool, Higsfield, from an API, for example, if you're building automations like you did inside the community where we built an automation using Sora 2 and NAN. So if you guys are interested in how we built an avatar content machine inside the community where it's completely automated using NAN and it uses Sora 2 and HeyGen for talking head avatar and it does research, that whole automation is now built and done. It's inside the community. We're announcing winners of the prize this Tuesday, by the way. So $1,700 in cash prizes to the contestants. There were only 4 contestants who had the skills to challenge themselves to learn NAN to take on this challenge. There's only 4 out of a community of 128. So you guys got to learn AI because there are opportunities both for contests, both for clients. If you don't have the skills, you're missing out on a ton of opportunity. Anyway, so from here, we could paste the same video in here so that we could kind of compare a little bit of the 2 different videos that do the exact same thing. And then from here, we're just going to do, now notice you will notice 2 different, it's not the same model and there's not the same parameters when you're doing it from Higsfield or when you're doing it from another tool, because here they do 12 seconds, but in the Sora 2 website, you can actually do 15 seconds. So that's something that's like where you access the tool, not all access is the same access is also a good way of putting it. So from here, let's see, do we have our watermark is done. So I'm gonna download the watermark here. So this is the full video with no watermark. Let me open it up. I know you guys can't see on YouTube, but
No watermark.
look at that. Not one watermark. And it looks real clean too. It doesn't look like fuzzy or choppy. So the next thing is we need to enhance the quality. We're not done yet. Don't post this trash. That's not good quality. You want to stand out. You want really good quality for your video. So this is the next step. Download the video. Go to Higsfield. Go over to Sora or under video. There is Sora 2 Enhancer. Yes, everything's got an enhancer. So go ahead and just select your video, which is the one that's the watermark has been removed. Yep. And we're just loading. Remember, we're in Higsfield, just doing this step. This extra step will make your video stand out from all the other Sora 2 videos out there that look pretty much with the watermark and poor quality. So we're almost done. Perfect. Now the video's here. Oh my gosh, look how expensive it is. 2 credits to enhance. That's all you have to do is push the buttons. Push the buttons. So this is going to take another 2 minutes. Oh my gosh, I know we have to wait. Part of being an AI agent automation person is specialist is that you have to kill time because your agents are working for you. Within the last 30 minutes, we created a script, created a video, and now we're just refining the quality, and then we'll publish it online. We're going to go all the way with it. We're going to publish it using, you can use Metrical, you can use Buffer, you can use Potato, you can use whatever you want, honestly. You just need some social media publishing tool. That way you can upload once and it will distribute your content to all of the social media platforms at once. Jealous how organized you are on top of everything. Seems well, the big thing with the organization is, again, when we teach it in the community, I do a lot of coaching, is a lot of it's productivity tools. I need to make sure you guys are using 1, a Mac computer, not a PC. 2, we need to make sure you have productivity tools like Notion, like Alfred, like TickTick, like, or some of the other ones. That's pretty much it. Those are like the main ones on a computer. Password manager too. 1Password, super helpful. Then from there, now that we got you like super productive and organized where you could store tasks, workloads, because the main thing really is like, number 1 is like you need Notion. Like before you even touch AI, you have to master Notion before you ever touch AI, because you need a digital notebook that's more valuable than learning anything AI related. If you don't have a digital notebook, there's no way you're not just organized, but able to store all the information in projects and stuff. So we got to like think about levels. There's levels to the AI game. And a lot of people just jump in with ChatGPT or Claude or Copilot. And then they're like, they have a bad time. They're like, is this all AI could do? Meanwhile, other people are making more money. They're launching new products. They're scaling their business. They're automating their business. They're getting promotions. They're winning more clients. They're working faster and harder with less effort. Those people are making way more money with AI. So it's like it's like a quiet, I don't want to say revolution going on, but like some people are like, they're losing jobs and they need to grow. Okay, wait, is this done? I think it's done. Okay. So done ranting. Now that it's done, you just click the download button right here and it downloads it. It's the quality now. Look how sharp that is compared to the first one. Now that that video is downloaded, let's go all the way to the last step, which is going to be to publish online. Because what's the point of creating a piece of content if you're not going to share it? So you have to go through all the way. Shouldn't just live on your computer. You want to post it, share it with the world. So with that, from here, I'm just going to go to, I'm in Metrical. I'm going to go to next week and go find an existing post. This is the easiest one. Weird, it won't let me repost your live. Oh, yeah, I'm shadow bound right now. It may work right now. Try it, but I think I'm shadow banned because TikTok just gave me a violation because I'm giving you guys too many secrets. That's why. Anyways, so let's get Metrical here. There we go. If you guys don't know, Metrical is a publishing site. You can use Metrical, Buffer, Potato. It really doesn't matter. Whatever your tool of choice is. Just know that you need one that will help. So from here, if I scroll up, there we go. So I'm going to go next week. I'm going to grab a post, just any post. The reason why I just grab an existing post is I could duplicate it from here. So again, templates, save yourself a step. I'm going to delete this video and I'm going to upload the new video. By the way, be sure to name your videos. Add 15 AI taking your jobs, and then drag and drop it. There also too, people are going to get the email. If you're on my email list, you'll get the email with this training as well too, because I want to help you guys, keep you guys up to date with AI. That's the whole goal. Okay, so with this, we've uploaded our new video. We need a nice little caption. Don't let AI take your job. Danger, Will Robinson. Learn 5 days. Comment agent start. Yeah, AI, ChatGPT will do, or some AI tools, AI news. We'll just do that. Just pick some hashtags basically. Okay, that's good enough. Add a little title or add a title to YouTube. YouTube likes titles. And that's done. We're going to hit publish. It's going to go, this one's actually going to go next Sunday. So you're not even going to see this for another 7 days because I'm kind of backed up. I built up a lot of my content already today. I got to publish my 3 videos as of today too. So this is loading. As this loads, again, you got to kill time, as you know. But with that, we went from idea all the way to final video. We just kind of have to wait for this to load. Using Sora 2. Now again, why is learning Sora 2 very essential? Because you could create commercials or ads or promotions for your products. It's not going to be so much for the content. It's going to be to promote your product or service in the universe that you want, because basically this would have cost thousands of dollars if I would have had to hire a marketing agency to go and create a 20-second ad for me. Like, there would have charged thousands of dollars. And if you're like, why is it thousands of dollars? Because good quality videos can change a whole business overnight. Because all you have to do is run ads to this, and running ads is a lot easier than creating content. Because while everyone's doing the content grind, these ads are, you could spend anywhere from $10 to $20 a day just starting off. And these ads could bring in leads on autopilot, so you don't have to play the content game. So that's why it's very important to learn how to use Sora to create very attention-grabbing videos or ads for your promotion or your business, because at the end of the day, it's all about marketing. Now, lastly, that was Sora. So Sora, you get 30 videos a day. Start creating some today, start pushing out some of the ads, and at least this workflow, you can create much higher quality videos without any of the watermarks, and then you can use them to promote your brand or service. That's pretty much it. That's one of the main things. And then we were using GenSpark to actually create websites, which is super handy because then you don't even have to create websites anymore with GenSpark. So at least a couple tools today: GenSpark, Sora 2, and Higsfield. Very popular tools. Highly recommend them. If you're like, John, I need to learn, because if this was new, this stuff is old. We've been doing this in the community for some time. So if you're like, man, I need to stay up to date with AI, take the 5-day AI agent challenge. Class starts next Monday, and we're going to master one tool. I'm not going to teach you 14 different tools and 14 different subscriptions that you don't need. I'm actually going to consolidate all of your subscriptions into one, just teaching GenSpark. And then we're going to go deep into how to automate everything from documents to presentations to even vibe coding and building fully functional apps without having, you could cancel your base 44, where I'm going to show you how to build apps, how to do presentations, how to do documents, all inside one tool. So by the end, you're going to start off as a beginner on Monday, and by the end of Friday, you're going to be building apps, images, videos, presentations, documents, and so much more just using GenSpark. And you'll save 10 hours a week every single week. And then we have a bunch of other really cool bonuses. So you'll be able to use AI agents for researching, content planning, presentations, slides, and so much more. So that's the 5-day AI agent challenge. That's starting next week. The best place to go to is the Stand Store, and I'm going to give you guys a coupon. If you use the code GenSpark, there we go. Yep, code GenSpark, you will be able to save 20% on it. So this is live. You get the video recording, you get the workbooks, 5 hours of training, and then we have a VIP, which gets you another 5 hours. So you get 10 hours of training with myself. It's pretty wild. And we're going to teach you how to build AI agents, how to build apps, how to automate your work so that you can work less and earn more inside AI agents. So I'm Jonathan Acuna, Dr. AI. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next live stream. We'll continue to learn AI and check out the challenge and the community so that you can get more attention, more and move faster with AI, because the stuff I'm showing you, stuff free, we've been doing for weeks, if not months inside the community. So don't want you guys to fall farther behind. Wish you guys a blessed day, and I'll definitely see you guys tomorrow. So bye. And for everyone on YouTube, highly recommend sign up for the AI community. We have tons of courses and we have workshops all the rest of the week, which is actually really exciting. So I'm excited for the NAN automation. That thing, it does all the content, all completely automated. Wow. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next live stream. Stay blessed. Bye.